Hello, welcome to Crypto School. Today we are going to discuss about robotics for STEM learning. What is robotics in STEM? Robotics in STEM combines mechanics, electronics, and programming. Real-world application of STEM concepts. Robotics equals to STEM in motion. Why robotics enhances STEM learning? It makes abstract STEM concepts tangible. It encourages critical thinking and logical reasoning, sparks creativity and experimentation, promotes active hands-on learning. Skill development. It develops collaboration and communication through team builds, perseverance through debugging and testing, problem solving by iterating on designs, design thinking. Examples of robotics in STEM education: a line following robot where math and logic applies, weatherbot with sensors where science and data applies, AI pet using microbit where tech and creativity applies. Thank you for your time. See you next time.